You're starting an SAP project. SAP powers some of the world's biggest companies, but not all SAP projects are the same. Choosing the right type of project is crucial. It shapes your team, your budget, and your success. In this video, we'll break down the 8 major SAP project types so you can make smarter decisions. Whether you're a project manager, consultant, or business leader, let's dive in. The blank slate. A concept that resonates with new beginnings. Greenfield. Greenfield is like building a brand new house, from the ground up. You have the freedom to design and ensure that everything aligns perfectly with your vision. In the world of SAP, it means you're starting from scratch. This is particularly appealing for companies moving away from legacy systems. It's a strategic shift to a unified ERP, a centralized system that streamlines operations. The process starts with deep requirements gathering, where you meticulously document every need and expectation. This is followed by business process re-engineering, a critical step where you analyze and optimize your existing workflows to align with best practices. You're not just copying old processes. Instead, you're designing for the future. You're creating a system that's agile, scalable, and ready to adapt to the ever-changing demands of the market. Stakeholders from every department are involved, ensuring that all perspectives are considered. This collaborative effort is essential to define needs and goals, setting the stage for a successful implementation. Next, the technical team configures SAP modules, tailoring them to your specific business requirements. They also sets up data flows, establishing the pathways for information to move seamlessly throughout the system. Rigorous testing follows, a multi-layered approach to ensure the system functions flawlessly. And finally, user acceptance testing, where end users put the system through its paces to ensure it meets their needs and expectations. The goal is to catch every issue before go live, minimizing disruptions and ensuring a smooth transition. Data migration is a huge challenge, often the most complex part of the entire project. After all the prep, after months of hard work and dedication, you go live. The project team provides hypercare support, offering intensive assistance in the immediate aftermath of the go live. Greenfield is complex and resource-intensive, requiring a significant investment of time, money, and effort. But it delivers a system tailored to your business's future. It's a marathon, not a sprint. Success depends on planning. Meticulous preparation is key. It also depends on collaboration. And of course, attention to detail. If you want a fresh start and total control, if you're looking to break free from the limitations of your existing systems, Greenfield is the way. A state-of-the-art SAP system built for your needs. The renovation, it's a concept we all understand, taking something old and breathing new life into it. Brownfield. Brownfield is a major renovation, a strategic approach to upgrading your SAP environment. It's for when you already have SAP but need to upgrade or transform it to meet modern demands, like transitioning from ECC to S/4HANA. The goal is to embrace the future, like S/4HANA, while strategically leveraging existing investments. The project starts with a deep assessment of your current SAP landscape. Data and processes are converted, carefully transformed to fit the new environment. Custom code is analyzed to determine its relevance and compatibility. Regression testing ensures that all critical business processes still work seamlessly after the upgrade. Go live is a big bang event, where everything is switched over at once. Brownfield is generally faster and less disruptive than a Greenfield implementation. Choose Brownfield if you want to modernize your SAP environment without completely starting over. The payoff is a modern, efficient SAP system with your valuable business history intact. The expansion rollout. A strategic approach to extending your SAP capabilities. Rollout essentially means taking your existing well-established SAP solution, the one that's already driving efficiency and value within your organization, and deploying it strategically to a new geographical location, a newly acquired business unit, or even a different department within your existing structure. The foundation of a successful rollout is a robust global template. This template then needs to be carefully adapted and tailored to meet the specific, unique needs of the local environment. A crucial step is the fit gap analysis, which meticulously identifies what aspects of the global template can be seamlessly adopted as is. And, equally important, what elements require localization to align with local regulations, business practices, or cultural nuances. The overarching goal is to achieve minimal customization, keeping the core processes standardized. However, some degree of local adaptation is almost always necessary to ensure a smooth and effective implementation. Data migration, while potentially complex, is generally simpler in a rollout scenario. The key is to carefully map the existing local data structures to the standardized global SAP data structure. Comprehensive training programs and proactive change management initiatives are absolutely critical. These efforts are essential to secure buy-in and ensure that local teams embrace the new system and processes. The true art of a successful rollout lies in skillfully balancing the need for global standardization with the imperative to meet specific local requirements. Rollouts offer an efficient and cost-effective way to expand the reach and impact of your SAP system. However, they demand meticulous project management and careful coordination of both people and processes. Therefore, choose the rollout strategy when you need to scale your SAP system rapidly and effectively. This is especially useful when expanding across different geographical regions or integrating newly acquired businesses into your existing SAP landscape. Ultimately, it's about achieving standardization, ensuring speed of implementation, and embracing smart adaptation to create a truly integrated and efficient global SAP environment. Remember, success hinges on securing local buy-in from key stakeholders, and of course on precise and disciplined project execution throughout the entire rollout process. Now let's move on to the upgrade project. An upgrade is like updating your phone's operating system, same hardware, better software. The main goal is to stay supported and access new features. The process starts with system assessment and custom code analysis. Technical teams run structured upgrade programs, rehearsing in test environments. Regression testing ensures all business processes still work. Go live is a planned downtime event followed by validation. Upgrades are about technical evolution, not business transformation. They keep your SAP system secure, modern, and efficient. Choose upgrade to stay current and supported. It's essential maintenance for your business backbone. Let's talk about system optimization. This project is about making your existing SAP system run better, faster, more stable, more efficient. It starts with a deep dive performance assessment to find bottlenecks. Solutions might include rewriting code, tuning databases, or archiving old data. Sometimes, it's about changing business processes for efficiency. After changes, improvements are measured and tested. Optimization projects are targeted and deliver big returns. Faster reports, fewer crashes, happier users. Choose optimization when your SAP system feels sluggish or unstable. It's about getting the most from what you already have. Small tweaks can make a huge difference. Keep your system sharp and your users productive. Optimization extends the life and value of your SAP investment. Now for integration projects, making SAP talk to other systems. Integration connects SAP with tools like CRM, e-commerce, or supply chain apps. The goal is seamless data flow and automation across platforms. Start with clear requirements. What data moves, how often, and what happens if something fails. Technical teams build connections using middleware, APIs, or web services. Testing is complex. End-to-end across all systems, including error handling. Go Live automates manual tasks, eliminates errors, and unifies your data. Integration breaks down silos and boosts agility. Choose integration to connect SAP with the rest of your IT landscape. It's essential for a modern, connected business. Integration makes your systems and your business work smarter. Now, what happens after Go Live? Support and maintenance. This is the ongoing work that keeps SAP running smoothly. The support team monitors system health, fixes issues, and manages user requests. They handle incidents, apply patches, and manage security. Enhancement requests and small changes are assessed, developed, and deployed. Routine maintenance keeps the system secure and compliant. Support is the backbone of SAP stability. Often invisible, always essential. Choose strong support to protect your SAP investment. They keep your business running, day in and day out. The unsung heroes of every SAP landscape. Last but not least, migration projects. Migration is moving your SAP system to a new platform, cloud, database, or operating system. Common drivers, cloud adoption, database upgrades, or hardware refresh. Start with a thorough assessment and platform selection. Technical migration is complex, copying the entire system to the new environment. Testing is critical, validate stability, performance, and business processes. Go Live involves a planned outage and final data sync. The goal users see the same SAP but with better speed and reliability. Migration unlocks new capabilities and future-proofs your system. Choose migration for foundational change and scalability. It's a big move, but the benefits are lasting. So there you have it. The 8 core SAP project types. Choosing the right type sets your project up for success. Knowledge is key, and that's where training partners like Zarin Tech come in. They offer real-world SAP training to help you and your team excel. Check out zarintech.com for more info. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe and comment below with your SAP project experiences or questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next deep dive.